Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 1 at 89 Thelma Street in Como. If you're the investor who's just starting out on his property journey, or the parent looking for the city base so the kids can go to Curtin University or other prominent schools, then this neat as a pin home in a small complex is the one for you. And by the way, we're only 200 metres from Penrith School as well. So come on in and enjoy your tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 1 at 89 Thelma Street in Como. So if you're an investor or a homeowner, as you can see, this is the perfect city base for someone who cares about which schools are close by. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.